वंदे जगत्कारणं वंदे पन्नगभूषणं शशिधरं वंदे वसूनां पतिं वंदे सूर्य शशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वंदे मुकुन्दप्रियं वंदे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वंदे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वंदे शिवं शंकरं. Friends, we have all come here to learn yoga. Yoga is a way of life. Why should we learn this way of life? In this way of life, there are no thorns, there are no pebbles, there are no obstacles, there are no stones, there are no pitfalls, there are no speed breakers, and there are no problems. Yoga is a way of life without problems. If we don't take the way of yoga, we must be prepared to face the ups and downs. We must face the problems. We must be prepared to lose the peace of mind. In a single word, yogic way of life is peaceful life. A non-yogic life is a problematic life. We have to live in problems, suffer from problems. We may solve them, may not solve them. Even if we solve them, we cannot permanently solve them. But yogic way of life is a very smooth life, very peaceful life, very comfortable life, happy life. How, sir? We have problems at various levels. First problem we encounter is the bodily problems, physical problems. Digestive system creates the problem. Youth creates the problem. Old age creates the problem. Death is a very big problem. These are all physical problems. Knee pain, neck pain, obesity, BP, diabetes. All these are physical problems. Next, we have to encounter the emotional problems. I fall in love with a girl, she does not respond to my approach, and I am emotionally upset. I get frustrated. I may become angry with her. I may commit suicide. It is a problem because of my feeling. Emotional problems. I want to become an IAS officer. That itself is a very big problem. The journey may not be smooth, it may not be pleasant. The examination system may be very tough. I may not be fit enough to pass the examination. That is an emotional problem. A desire and how to deserve the fulfillment of that desire. It causes an emotional problem. Almost every person suffers from the emotional problems right from childhood. A child loves a particular toy and that toy is unable to be possessed by her or him, and that toy is broken while playing with it, an emotional problem. When we are young, in